Hello everyone, my name is 𝐏𝐞𝐫 and I am from grade 5 Berry. Today I will be talking about perpendicular and parallel lines. So what are perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are when two intersect lines form an angle of 90 degrees and share the same vertex. As you can see, I have a rectangular sheet of paper. Now I'm going to fold the paper like this and this, and when you unfold it, you will have a perpendicular line. You will see two lines intersecting with each other. Perpendicular lines are two intersecting lines that form an angle of 90 degrees and share the same vertex. As you can see, the line AB is perpendicular to the line CD. Now I will form another I will fold the paper into another shape. And draw a line. Give it a name. Now as you can see, I have formed another perpendicular line. Now AB is also perpendicular to EF. And again, I will fold the paper into another shape. And give it another name. As you can see, I have formed another perpendicular line. Now AB is also perpendicular to GH. Along with the perpendicular lines, there are also pairs of parallel lines. As you can see, CD and EF are equally passing through each other without intercepting. This is what we call parallel lines. In the same way, EF is parallel to GH, and GH can also be parallel to CD. I hope you guys know how to recognize parallel and perpendicular lines. Thank you.